welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're gonna be doing a TikTok dance. But before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel because it really does help, but it'll also help you guys to know when my next video comes out. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, let's do it. So, you're gonna start by stepping your right foot out, and your toe is gonna be down, your heel's gonna be up. So you're gonna go 1, and then bring it back in. So as I do that, as you saw, I turn my heel out and I bring it back in. So my right foot steps out, we keep the heel up, toes down, and we're gonna turn that heel out. Okay, so it goes 1, bring it back in, 2. So again, 1, 2. One more time. We twist the heel, bring it in. Again, 1, 2. Same thing to the left side. You're going to step your left foot out, heel is up, toes are down, and you're going to turn your heel out and bring it back in. So again, from the top we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So keep that heel out, turn it out, in, turn it out, in. Okay, so for arms, you're going to bring your elbow out and you're going to look. So your elbow, your right elbow is out, hands in a fist, and you bring it out, and then you're going to bring both hands up and snap. And if you don't know how to snap, that's okay. Just do like a pretend snap. So you're going to bring your right elbow out, you look at that elbow, and then bring it up and snap. So we go 1, 2, then the same thing with the left side, hand in a fist, elbow out, and you're going to go 3, bring it out, and up. So the arms go 1, 2, we look 3, 4, and it's right, left. Okay, so all together with the arms and footwork, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Facing the front, starting on my right side, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Okay, next part. So we just finished. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to make a quarter turn to your right, and you're going to do your heels. So your heels down, toes are up. You're going to go right heel, right heel, clap. Okay? So again, it is right, left, right, clap. One more time. We made a quarter turn to our right, and we go right, left, right, clap. So with your body, you're going to do like a dip down and coming up. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, clap. So you bring your head down and then back up and clap. So we go 1, 2, 3, clap. Now with the footwork, we'll try it with the dip. So you dip down and up. So we go 1, 2, 3, clap. So it's not a big dip or anything like that. So we go 1, 2, 3, clap. So one more time, it is 1, 2, 3, clap. Okay, whole thing from the top, facing the back. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, it's a quick quarter turn to your right, and you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing facing the front. We're going to our right. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next part. So we just finished 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to bring yourself back to center, and your hips are going to go to the right, and they're going to go up, down, up, down. So your hips go up, and then bring it down, and up, and bring it down. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you lift up the hip and bring it down, lift it up, bring it down. So again, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are arm movements for that part. Your right hand is going to be in a fist, and you have it in, and every time your hip goes out to the right, you bring your arm out. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, right hand, hips go to the right. When we bring them out to the right, our arm comes out. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's go from the dip. We're dipping down with the heels, and I'm facing the back. And we're made a quarter turn to our right. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to face the front, going from that same part where we do the heels and dipping down. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good job. Let's do the whole thing from the top, facing the back. And 5, 6, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, guys. We're at the last part. So you're going to step out to your right, and you're going to do a step, touch with that left foot, and then you're going to go to the left. Step, touch. So the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go to the right, touch left, left, touch right. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just finished the 1, 2, 3, 4. Our hips are to the right. We step 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for the arm movements. So your right hand is in a fist, and you're going to swing it up. And then when you swing it up, you're going to go down, up. So again, right hand in a fist, we swing it up, down, up. And then the same thing to the left, swing it down, up, down, up. So right hand, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is as we're doing the step touches. So facing the back with the arm movement, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing to the front, it would be 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is going to the right and then to the left. So it's right and left. Okay, so let's do the whole thing from the top, facing the back. And 5, 6, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job, guys. Let's do it to the front. Whole thing from the top. Here we go. And 5, 6, to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it 2 more times to the back, then to the front. I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to say any counts, but I will say we start to the right. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and. Okay, last time to the front, starting to the right. And 5, 6, here we go. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with music, please be sure to check out the link below. And if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.